Hi, today I want to show you how to use ChatGPT to manipulate images. 2 weeks ago, I've done a video using Google AI Studio to modify images, add object, remove object, and change backgrounds and so on. And since then, I have tried ChatGPT as well, and I found it's quite interesting. In some cases, it's even better than Google AI Studio. Let's try it now. Here is my ChatGPT homepage, and as you can see, there's an add button here. I can also drag and drop instead of using the add. Let me drag and drop the image here. So I have prepared the prompt already. I want to make the man carrying the sword on his shoulder and change the background as well. Let's see how it does. I think ChatGPT is a little bit slower than Google AI Studio. Let me pause this first. Okay, it's not bad at all. It's a little bit too creative. It changed the face as well. If you compare the original one, this is the image, and now it changed the face. It's not too bad at all. In this case, I prefer the Google AI Studio version. This is what I have done with Google AI Studio. As you can see, the face is still very similar to the original one and everything. Only the arm has moved, and this is quite nice. I think ChatGPT is too creative. That's not what I like because its face starts changing. Okay, now let's try something else. As we all know, ChatGPT is really good in changing the style, like change it to the Ghibli style. Okay, now let me start a new chat using the same image. Now I've got another prompt prepared. So I'm trying to convert this to a doll in a package, and it's shown in the store. Let's try it now. Okay, I think this looks really nice. Look, there's a box, there's a hand holding it, and the only problem is my original image is only up to my knees here, and it doesn't look good when doll is just half body. Let's try to change it, and I also want to the background look more like a toy store or supermarket. Now let's try my prompt here. So I want to extend the legs and make the background look like the store. Let's go. Look. Beautiful. Now it's a full body and with the title here. And it also moved the camera angle, and I really like this with the shell from a little bit from the side instead of just looking on that. I love it. Now let me try the same prompt with Google AI Studio. Let me copy this one, the original one here, and go to AI Studio, and now put the image here and paste my prompt here. So this is the same prompt without the extension legs. Go. No doubt the Google AI Studio is much faster, but whether it can make a better image. Okay, now I think this image has nothing to do with the original one. This is a woman here, and compared to this one. So the jacket look a little bit alike. Okay, this one is not even correct here. I love this one. So in this case, you can see obviously ChatGPT does much better job than Google AI Studio. In this video, I just want to show you there's no one which is the best. So basically, it depends on what you want to do. You can go ahead and try ChatGPT and let me know which one you like. This is only a quick video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.
There are more videos to watch, or you can subscribe and we'll never miss a future video.